Lesson 6. Let's learn Scratch. Scratch is a programming language developed by the MIT Media Lab that uses a colorful block-based coding system. The colorful blocks represent different code elements and can be snapped together to create scripts that control the behavior of objects on the screen. Children will be able to understand the meaning and advantages of Scratch, understand components of Scratch 3 window, identify and work with Scratch blocks, create and run Scratch program, save a Scratch project. Neha. Hey Tia, have you ever tried using Scratch? Tia. Hi Neha. No, I don't know what Scratch is. What is it? Neha. Scratch is a fun computer program that helps you make your own animations and games. Tia. Wow, that sounds exciting. How do you use it? Neha. It's easy, Tia. In Scratch, you use colorful blocks to tell the computer what to do. You snap the blocks together to create cool things on the screen. Tia. Can you make games with it? Neha. Absolutely. You can make your own games with Scratch. You can create characters, make them move, and add challenges to play with. Tia. Thanks, Neha. I can't wait to try Scratch and make my own games. Neha. You are welcome, Tia. Let's have fun with Scratch. Scratch. Scratch is a visual programming language. It has many blocks that allows you to create more powerful scripts. Fact Corner. Scratch coding can also be done online by visiting the Scratch website and registering free. Starting Scratch. 1. Start your computer. 2. Click on the Start menu and select the Scratch option. Components of Scratch. The Scratch windows consists of several sections called components, which allows the user to create or edit scripts. Code tab. The Code tab is one of the main tabs in Scratch where you can create and modify the code for your sprites. Block palette. This is an area that contains blocks that can be dragged into the scripts area to make the code. Code area. The code area is a large empty space to the right of the block palette. It is an area for storing blocks that run the project. Blocks can be dragged from the block palette into the scripts area and are arranged to form scripts. Stage. The stage is the area where the sprites are and perform their actions. It is located at the top of the area to the right of the scripts area. Sprite pane. The sprite pane is located to the right of the scripts area and to the bottom of the stage. It allows you to quickly switch sprites and view the different scripts. Backpack. The backpack is a small area to the bottom of the block palette and the scripts area. It stores scripts, costumes, and sounds and allows them to be transferred from one project to another. Paint editor. The paint editor allows you to view, create, and edit the costumes of the sprite. Sound editor. The sound editor allows you to make, view, and edit the sounds of the sprite. Blocks. Blocks are puzzle piece shapes that are used to create code in Scratch. A series of connected blocks is called scripts. Sprite. A sprite is an object or a character in Scratch that can be programmed to perform actions based on scripts of a project using blocks. Adding a sprite. You can add a sprite in different ways. Move the mouse on the Choose a Script option to get different options to add a sprite. The Choose a Sprite option allows you to select a sprite from the library. The Paint option allows you to draw your own sprite. The Surprise option is used to add a random sprite from the library. The Upload Sprite button is used to add an image saved on your computer as a sprite. Steps to add a sprite using the Choose a Sprite option. 1. click on the Choose a Sprite option to select a sprite from the library. 2. Select and click on the required sprite for your project. 3. The selected sprite will appear on the stage. Deleting a sprite. The user can delete a sprite from the stage if it is not required. Steps to delete a sprite. There are two ways to delete the sprite. 1. Select the sprite which you want to delete. 2. Click on the cross sign. Or right-click on the sprite and select the Delete option from the menu that appears. Adding a backdrop. Move the mouse on the Choose a Backdrop option. You get different options to add a backdrop. The Choose a Backdrop option allows you to select a backdrop from the library. The Paint option allows you to draw your own backdrop. The Surprise option is used to add a random backdrop from the library. The Upload Backdrop button is used to add an image saved on your computer as a backdrop. Steps to add a backdrop using the Choose a Backdrop option. 1. Click on the Choose a Backdrop option to select a backdrop from the library. 2. Select and click on the required backdrop for your project. 3. The selected backdrop will appear on the stage. Deleting a backdrop. The user can delete a backdrop also when he or she needs a different backdrop. Steps to delete a backdrop. 1. Click on the stage icon. 2. Click on the backdrop icon. 3. Select the backdrop. 4. Click on cross sign. Save and open a project in Scratch. Save a project in Scratch. To save the project file in your computer drive, click on the File menu and choose Save Your Computer. Opening a project in Scratch. To open a Scratch project, you need to click on File and then Open. Go to the project location and select the project file to open it. Flashback. Scratch is a visual programming language. The user interface consists of several sections called components. The Code tab contains several sections that allow one to code and run scripts. The Paint editor allows one to view, create, and edit the costumes of the sprite. The Sound editor allows one to make, view, and edit the sound of the sprite. A sprite is an object or a character in Scratch. You can add, delete sprites and backdrops in a Scratch file.